I first want to thank the local, state, and federal law enforcement who worked tirelessly to capture my husband's assassin so that he can be brought to justice. Privately, he told me if he ever did run for office that his top priority would be to revive the American family. They killed Charlie because he preached a message of patriotism, faith, and of God's merciful love. To everyone listening tonight across America, the movement my husband built will not die. And in a world filled with chaos, doubt, and uncertainty, my husband's voice will remain, and it will ring out louder and more clearly than ever. Thank you all again who love my husband, who supported him. God bless you all. And may God bless America.